Why is the internet not working when the Netgear router has an orange light?
Hello, and welcome to another troubleshooting session. Today, we're going to dive into a common issue faced by many. Why is the internet not working when the Netgear router has an orange light? This orange light can be frustrating, but don't worry, we're here to help you navigate and fix this problem.
What does the orange light mean?
When your Netgear router shows an orange light, it typically indicates that there is a problem with the internet connection. The router is designed to light up specific colors to inform users about its current status, and orange is generally a signal for concern. The exact meaning of the orange light can vary, but here are a few possible issues. It might mean that your router is unable to establish a connection with your Internet Service Provider, ISP. It could also mean that your router has detected that one or more devices connected to it are having issues. If your router has an orange light on one of its Ethernet port indicators, it could signify a problem with a specific device connected to that port.
How can we troubleshoot this?
Now that we understand what the orange light means, let's proceed to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Here are some steps you can follow. 1. Check your internet connection. Try connecting your device directly to the modem. If you're still not getting an internet connection, the issue might be with your ISP. 2. Reboot your router. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve the issue. Unplug your router, wait for a couple of minutes, and then plug it back in. 3. Check for router firmware updates. Outdated firmware might be the reason for the connection issue. Check the router's manufacturer website or the router settings for any available firmware updates. 4. Reset your router. If none of the above steps work, you may need to reset your router to its factory settings. However, remember that this should be your last resort, as you will lose all your customized settings.
When should I contact the support team?
If you've tried all of the troubleshooting steps and your Netgear router is still showing an orange light, it might be time to contact Netgear's support team. They can provide further assistance and possibly diagnose if there is a hardware issue with your router. Remember, it's important not to try and physically repair the router yourself, as this could void your warranty. We hope this guide has helped you understand why your Netgear router may be showing an orange light and how to troubleshoot it. Always start with the simplest solutions before moving on to more drastic measures like resetting your router. Remember, when in doubt, contacting the support team is often the best step. Happy troubleshooting, and here's to a quick return to green lights and stable connections.